until the philosophy which hold one race superior in another inferior is finally permanently discredited and abandoned. But everywhere is war. I mean the war until there's no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation. Until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. I've got to say war. Well, until that day, the dream of lasting peace, war of citizenship, rule of international morality, remaining but a fleeting illusion to be pursued, but never attained. When everywhere is war, and there's a war, until there's no longer a first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the ignoble and unhappy region that hold our brothers in Angola, in Mozambique, South Africa, a subhuman bondage has been toppled, utterly destroyed. When everywhere is war, I mean the war in the east, war in the west, war up north, war down south. I mean the war, the rumors of war, and until that day, the African continent will not know peace. We Africans will fight, we find it necessary, and we know we shall win, cause we are confident in the victory. Good over evil, good over evil, of good over evil, but everywhere is war. I mean the war is the war. Rumors of war, war. Some crying, some are wailing, some dying, some looting, some saying we don't need no more trouble, no more trouble, no more trouble. Sing it, we don't need no more trouble, no more war. We want peace, we want love. Need no more trouble. Let's sing it one more time, ladies and gentlemen. We don't need no more trouble. We don't need no more trouble, no more trouble, no more trouble. See, what we need is love to guide and protect us all. If your help comes down from above, take the poor as you are strong now. Hey, we don't need no trouble. What we need is love. We don't need no more trouble, no more trouble, no more war. Hey, we don't need no more trouble, no more trouble. Let's sing this, ladies and gentlemen, together. We don't need no more trouble, no more trouble. We want peace, we want love. We don't need no more trouble, no more trouble, no more trouble. See, speak happiness, starting up with a love. I know you got love, starting up with a love. We don't need no trouble. What we need is love. We don't